Keep heading everyone. Operation of rational numbers. Left side keep heading. Operation of rational numbers. Operation of rational numbers. Next keep heading. Addition and subtraction operation. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Next keep heading. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Keep heading everyone. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Listen students, stop writing everyone. There are four possibility. There are four possibility. There are four possibility if two or more rational numbers are to be added or subtracted. How many possibility are there? There are four possibility if two or more number to be added or subtracted. Each and every possibility I will explain. First possibility is what? When denominators are same. This is the first possibility. When denominators are same. Second possibility, when one denominator is a multiple of the another denominator. Third possibility, when denominators are co-prime number. And last possibility is when denominators have common factors. This all four possibility today I am going to explain. Yeah. First possible, first note down everyone. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers. There are four possibilities. Note down. There are four possibilities. There are four possibilities. There are four possibilities if two or more rational numbers, if two or more rational numbers, if two or more rational numbers if two or more rational numbers are to be added or to be added or to be added or subtracted. There are four possibilities if two or more rational numbers are to be added or subtracted. Ready? Yeah. There are four possibilities if two or more rational numbers are to be added or subtracted. First possibility is what? When denominators are same. First possibility, when denominators are same. First possibility, when denominators are same. First possibility, when denominators are same. All students stop writing, only concentrate how to do this possibility. This possibility is very easy. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write, listen carefully, everyone. Suppose I have written 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. In this question, you are observing both denominators are same. If denominator are same, then how to do addition? Sum of like rational number is equal to sum of numerator divided by common denominator. Listen carefully my word. Sum of like rational number is equal to sum of numerator divided by common denominator. When we will apply this formula, when denominators are same, when denominators are same, simply I can add the numerator and divide it by common denominator. Now 4 by 5 and 3 by 5 both denominator are same, simply I can add the numerator divided by common denominator. Answer is 7 by 5. Note down everyone. Example 2. Minus 9 by 7 plus 4 by 7. In second question also, denominator are same. If denominators are same, then simply I can add the numerator. But first numerator is here, minus 9 plus 4 divided by 7. Now, in numerator, minus 9 and plus 4, both sign are different. If sign are different, subtraction, 9 minus 4, 5, but answer will become minus 5. Why? Because 9 is the greater value. Minus 5 by 7. This is the first possibility when denominators are same. Example 3. 2 by 11 minus 4 by 11. 2 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Now 2 by 11 I will write same. Minus into minus. Before bracket minus sign is there. Inside bracket also minus is there. Minus into minus plus 4 by 11. Again, both denominators are same. I can simply add the numerator 2 plus 4 divided by 11. 6 by 11. Next, second possibility, when one denominator is a multiple of another denominator. Possibility 2, second possibility, when one denominator when one denominator when one denominator is a multiple of is the multiple of the other denominator. When one denominator is a multiple of the other denominator. Example first. Stop writing, everyone. Concentrate here. First example I am writing here. 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Listen carefully, everyone. 4 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Students, you are observing here 3 is a factor of 6. 3 is a factor of 6. 3 is a factor of 6. Means if I will multiply 2 into denominator, then denominator will become 6. Listen carefully, everyone. 4 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Now 3 is a factor of 6. Then I can do one thing. I want to make 3 as 6 as denominator. How to make? If I am multiplying 2 into numerator and 2 into denominator. Now 4 twos are 8 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Here denominator are same. If denominators are same, simply I can add the numerator. 8 plus 5 divided by 6. 13 divided by 6. Are you getting my point, students? Right. Example 2 note down. Example 2. 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 12 by 5 minus 4 by 10. Can I say, students, 5 is a factor of 10? Can I say 5 is a factor of 10? Yes. How to make denominator as 10? If I will multiply 2 into denominator into numerator, the denominator will become 10. Then I can write here 12 by 5, 12 divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 10. If first denominator I will multiply with 2. Now 12 twos are 24 divided by 10 minus 4 by 10. Now denominators are same. simply I can subtract the numerator. 24 minus 4 divided by 10. Answer is 20 by 10 is equal to 2 by 1 means 2. Note down everyone. Example 3. Note down example 3 everyone. Find the sum of 1 by 7 and minus 2 by 21. Find the sum of 1 by 7 and minus 2 by 21. Solution. Sum means addition or subtraction? Addition. One by 7 plus bracket minus 2 by 21. Again, 7 is a factor of 21. 7 is a factor of 21. Then in first, yeah, very good. In first denominator, I will multiply 3. Right answer. Very good, Rishita. 1 by 7 plus minus 2 by 21. I will multiply 3 into numerator and 3 into denominator. Now numerator became 3 by 21 minus plus into minus 2 by 21. Again denominators are same. Simply I can subtract the numerator. 3 minus 2 divided by 21. Answer is 1 by 21. Note down everyone firstly.